Children's Day, 14th November. Children's Day is celebrated every year on November 14 in India. The day marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly remembered as Chacha Nehru. It is also known as Bal Divas. The day acknowledges Nehru for his contribution towards building the nation and for his love for children. History. Until 1964, the Children's Day was celebrated on 20th November in India. The day is observed as the Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. After the demise of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, the nation unanimously decided to commemorate his birth anniversary on Bal Divas due to his love and affection towards children. The United Nations still celebrates Universal Children's Day on 20th November across the world every year. It aims to promote peace, togetherness and awareness among kids. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of India who ruled the country for the longest period. He was a great follower of peace and prosperity. Pandit Nehru Jayanti is a festival for the country of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is not only known for his political career or for the service of the country, but was also famous among children. His love for children was the same as his love for red roses. Pandit Nehru worked so much for the education, progress, well-being and welfare of the children as well as youngsters of India. His books on Indian history and world history are read by school children. They have also been adapted into TV series. He was an advocate of the development and education of children in the country. Nehru's vision for the development of youth helped in setting up the All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIIMS) and the Indian Institutes of Technology (IIT). He also initiated the establishment of the Indian Institutes of Management (IIM). In 1961, Nehru laid the foundation stone of the Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology (MNNIT), Allahabad. Free primary education, free meals including milk were provided to the school children in order to prevent children from malnutrition in India. According to Pandit Nehru, children are the bright future of the country. Only by the right education, care and progress we can give them a new life. The deep love and enthusiasm of Chacha Nehru towards the children is the big reason for celebrating the Children's Day at his birth anniversary. He said that children are the country's actual strength as they would make developed society in the future. Observance. A lot of programs including cultural and fun activities are organized all over India. Government and non-government organizations, schools, NGOs, private bodies and other conduct a variety of competitions for the children to let them know about their rights and make them happy and cheer. These competitions include fancy dress, debates, speech related to freedom fighters, country, storytelling and quizzes. Cultural and social programs like singing, dancing and entertaining with other musical instruments are part of it. TV channels also demonstrate the interesting programs for the children on the 14th of November. Parents take part in this event very enthusiastically to make their children happy. They distribute gifts, greeting cards to their sons and daughters. They go on a picnic, long drive and enjoy the day with the party.